Hey everybody, this is Goose7732 or Zachary Willard. I'm here today with an unboxing. Got a package from Mr. Lockpicker. There's the sound. Pull her up. And some stickers. Let's see what this is. Multi-lock, mortise cylinder. It's like an interactive plus, maybe. All right. I'm bumping in this shit. Let's see. There we go. Now I got it open. Come on. This package is very, very well packed. All right. Over there. Let's see what we got here. Nice mortise cylinder. Multi-lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins. Oh, very smooth. Thank you. Very nice. Let's open this guy up and figure out what it is here in a bit. Alright, the keys. Very nice. Thank you, Mr. Lockpicker. Let's see what's in the other one. Okay, this is probably going to take me another 5 minutes to get into. Oh, maybe not. Guessing from the key, I'm looking at some kind of Medeco. That'd be nice since I don't have any Medecos in my stash. I got Medeco. Very nice. Looks like some decent bidding. Very nice. Kick cylinder. Wow. Oop, drop the key. Let's put that down right there real quick. Check out those by axle cuts. That's gonna be interesting to figure out. Fuck yeah. Alright. So we've got locks out of the way. Let's see if I can. Alright. Few. All right. Oh yes, very nice stickers. Very sexy. Oop. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice stickers right there. I have to figure out, do I have any that are small enough? These are all fairly large. I'll have to figure out what I'll do with one of these stickers to put it on here. I'll have to figure out what I'll have to do. For now, we can always throw one in the back right there. All right. Very sexy. Very excited about both of these. Well, thank you, Mr. Lockpicker. I appreciate the lock package. Much appreciated. Your stickers are amazing. And the bags. Alright, so that's all I got today for this unboxing. No picking today, just an unboxing. Hope everybody stays legal and keep picking.